How to disable camera shutter sound on Samsung. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily disable the camera shutter sound on your Samsung phone. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to do is check. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up my camera app, and when I take a picture, it makes a shutter sound. So as you can see, I'm gonna tap on the shutter button and it makes a shutter sound. But if I go ahead and turn on my vibrate mode like this and click a picture, then it won't make a shutter sound. But it can be a hassle for you. So every time you need to click a picture, you are just gonna drag and move your phone to vibrate mode, but that's not kind of practical. For that, you first need to open up your settings and set up a mode and routine. So go ahead and click on mode and routine right here. And then from here, what you're going to do is create a new routine. So click on add at the top, click on the plus icon and click on if. So add what triggers the routine. So scroll down and on the event, add app opened. So once you tap on it, choose your camera app from here and click on done and click on OK. And on the condition, what you are going to do is add what this routine will do. So click on sound and vibration, click on sound mode and volume, and make sure that it is selected to vibrate. So click on done and save your routine. You can create a cute emoji or the picture for this routine. So let's say I'm just going to keep this a star and click on done. Now let's check. So if I turn my normal mode on and click a picture when I open up my camera, my phone has automatically gone to the vibrate mode, and whenever I click the shutter button, it won't make the shutter sound. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.